Today, I'll help you fix the ERR connection refused error in Chrome. There can be many different reasons for this error, but I'll show you the 3 main fixes that work for 99% people. First, let's check whether this error is happening due to your internet connection or due to the website having issues. So go to this website, enter the website URL that has the error, and click on or just me. This site will then assess whether the page is offline or online. Now, if the page is up and just not loading for you, then skip to the next chapter and try the 3 main fixes that I've shown there. But if it shows that your site is down, then there's a chance that your site might have been hacked. But don't worry, we'll use a free malware scanner to check whether this has happened. Okay, the best one is Malcare. As you can see in this comparison table, I've added a lot of details here because my team built this, but I am not being biased. These are the facts, which is why this is the best free malware scanner. Now in this tab, I have the Malcare website open. As you can see, it is used by eBay and a bunch of other known brands. But now I'm going to go to the pricing page. Here I can see that there is a free plan available which has quite a lot of features. There's a real-time firewall to protect your website, login protection, a daily malware scan to catch any hacks, vulnerability monitoring, uptime monitoring, and a few other things. So this is a great place to start off, but if you want to be really sure that you're completely secure and protected, then I would recommend getting the basic plan because now you have instant malware removal as well. So this is great if your site ever gets hacked, you can instantly remove the hack and then prevent any damage occurring to your site after that. For now, I think we'll start off with the free plan and I'll show you how to install that. So let's go back to our WordPress dashboard, then go to plugins, add new. Let's search for Malcare, and here it is. You can see it's got a lot of downloads as well. We're going to install it, activate it. We'll go to a separate tab and go to the Malcare website. Now here we'll sign up by adding our email ID and password, and then we'll log into the dashboard. Now we just have to add the site URL. Now we need to add a WP admin username and password. Don't worry, Malcare doesn't store the WP admin credentials. This is a standard procedure to just install the plugin on your website. Click submit. Now the plugin installation is happening and you'll see the option to initiate a sync. So click on that and now you can see that your website is being scanned. Basically, Malcare is going through all your website's code to find any vulnerability, hacks, backdoors, basically any security concerns so that it can bring it to your notice. Now, once the scanning is over, now here you can see that the site is showing a hack. There is an option to do an instant cleanup here, but it's a paid feature. For most people, Malcare is the fastest and cheapest option, and there's extra security to prevent it from happening again. So here's how to use it. Click here, add payment details, and then the site cleaning can happen like this. Now the site has no malware. In case you have trouble installing Malcare, just email this ID and you'll get quick help with any issues. Go and check if the error is still there. If yes, then this is an issue on the server side for the web host to solve. So go to your web host's customer support and write to them about this issue like this, and then they should help you fix it. If your site isn't down, it's just not loading for you, then here are the 3 main fixes for it. First, go to your start menu, then settings, then network and internet menu, and press the troubleshoot button. Select the network adapter you want to troubleshoot and click next. If you get any suggested fixes here, apply it and then restart your system. If this didn't work, then there's a high chance that this error is happening because of an issue in Google Chrome. So first, go to the top right corner and open the menu. Select More Tools, then go here and click on Clear Browser Data. Make sure all the categories are selected and clear it. Next, in your settings, go to Extensions, then disable all your extensions. If the error still hasn't gone, then there is one more Chrome fix that we can try. So go to Settings, then under the System section, go to Open Proxy Settings, select it, and you'll see this menu. Click on LAN Settings and uncheck the Use Proxy Server for LAN option. Okay, if the error still hasn't gone, I know it's frustrating, but hey, we've gotten some progress here. We now know that this isn't due to an issue in Chrome. So let's now try some fixes on your computer. Sometimes your computer's firewall might be causing this error. So to fix it, open your control panel, then navigate to System and Security and click on Windows Defender Firewall. From here we can see the option to turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. This leads us to a window where we can disable your firewall for both private and public networks. Turn it off, then check if the error is gone. If not, then there's another fix that very often works out, which is to flush the DNS cache of your computer. So go to the Start menu, type cmd and press enter. Once the command bar prompt is open, enter this command. You can also copy paste it from the description below. Then run this and check if the error is gone. If it's still there, then we have two last shots at fixing this. First, sometimes Chrome can develop bugs, so you can uninstall it and then install the latest version of it. If that still didn't help you, then there's a high chance that this is an issue on the server side. So contact your web host's customer support and they'll help you solve this. Comment below if you have any doubts and I'll get back to you. And here's another video I thought you should watch.